Audio Production 101, Audio Production Websites. Audio production is the process of creating, recording, editing, mixing, and mastering audio content for various purposes, including music, podcasts, radio, film, television, video games, commercials, and more. Here's an overview of the key aspects of audio production. 1. Pre-production, conceptualization, define the goals, objectives, and creative vision for the audio project. Script writing, develop scripts, outlines, or storyboards for scripted content such as podcasts, commercials, or voiceovers. Preparation, plan and organize logistical details such as scheduling, location scouting, talent casting, equipment setup, and budgeting. 2. Recording, studio recording, record audio in a professional recording studio equipped with microphones, preamps, consoles, and other recording equipment. Location recording, capture audio on location using portable recording equipment for field recordings, interviews, live events, or outdoor scenes. Vocal recording, record vocals, voiceovers, narration, or dialogue using professional-grade microphones and recording techniques. 3. Editing, audio editing, use digital audio workstations, DAWs, such as Pro Tools, Logic Pro, Ableton Live, or Adobe Audition to edit and arrange recorded audio tracks. Editing techniques, perform tasks such as trimming, cutting, splicing, crossfading, time stretching, pitch correction, and noise reduction to refine and polish audio recordings. Dialogue editing, edit dialogue or spoken word content to remove mistakes, pauses, ums, us, and other unwanted artifacts for clarity and coherence. 4. Mixing, mixing process, blend and balance individual audio tracks together to create a cohesive and dynamic sound mix. Leveling, adjust the volume levels, panning, and spatial positioning of audio elements within the stereo or surround sound field. EQ and effects, apply equalization, EQ, compression, reverb, delay, modulation, and other audio effects to enhance the tonal balance, dynamics, and spatial imaging of the mix. 5. Mastering, mastering process, prepare the final mix for distribution by optimizing its overall tonal balance, loudness, clarity, and consistency across different playback systems. Mastering tools, use specialized mastering software and hardware processors to apply final processing, EQ, compression, limiting, and dithering to the audio. Metadata and formatting, add metadata tags, track markers, and finalize formatting for various delivery formats such as CD, digital download, streaming, or broadcast. 6. Post-production, quality control, review the final audio mix for errors, glitches, or artifacts and perform any necessary revisions or corrections. Delivery, prepare and deliver the finalized audio files or masters to clients, distributors, broadcasters, or online platforms according to their specifications and requirements. 7. Collaboration and communication, team collaboration, work closely with clients, producers, directors, musicians, voice actors, sound designers, and other collaborators to achieve the desired creative vision and goals for the audio project. Communication skills, maintain clear and effective communication throughout the production process to ensure alignment, feedback, and problem solving as needed. Whether you're producing music, podcasts, commercials, or any other audio content, understanding the various stages of audio production and employing professional techniques and tools can help you create high-quality, engaging, and impactful audio experiences for your audience.